Welcome to TradeSpoon. My name is Vlad Karpel. I'm CEO and founder of TradeSpoon and Yellow Tunnel. And today we're going to have our weekly strategy roundtable. Mechanics of the pick. Weekly mechanics of the pick, where we talk about trade idea of the week, see which stocks, sectors trending higher, which ones under pressure as we are starting the earnings season. We have Google announcing earnings on Wednesday. So hyperscalers will announce earnings in the next 2 weeks. Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Apple, and that will set the direction for the market. Disclosures are very important. Please read them. You can always pause the screen if you need more time to read the disclosures. All right, let's look at some of the tools that I'm using to come up with a trade idea. Stock Forecast Toolbox is the first tool. Again, if you look at the next 10-day predictions, market is trading neutral, right? So Spider's been under pressure, almost at the 50-day moving average. It doesn't see a lot of momentum below 730 level, and also all-time high. We did have inflation data better than expected, so one unknown. Earnings season is also very strong. So that's a bullish argument. The bearish argument would be that escalation in the Middle East, potentially closure of Red Sea as well, which will impact the oil markets and energy markets and inflation data. And also this fear that hyperscalers are raising billions of dollars and interest rates potentially can go higher as a result of the inflation, and that will make it very hard for a lot of companies to refinance the debt, right? So those kind of two forces that move the stock market in opposite direction. Model basically says, as of right now, expect neutral price action. If I zoom out to 6 months predictions, you can see 690 to be the support, 769 to be overhead resistance. This was calculated on the first of each month. So we retested this level on Friday. So the question is, market is already oversold by technical standards. The uptrend still exists. QQQ and Spiders are still in long-term uptrend. They're oversold. The question is, will they bounce back or will they revert? And I think that next 2 weeks will determine that. If they can bounce back, if the buyers can step in from the oversold conditions, or the bears can break this main support level at 680, 690 in QQQ, then we could revisit the previous breakout level around 640, 650 on QQQ. Let's look at QQQ. Right, the next level will be 640. So this is an important level. We're trading below 50-day moving average. 2 Bollinger Band standard deviation move to the downside happens only a few times a year. The question is the next move to 200 or 100-day moving average or bounce back? And also expiration, right? Friday, all of the positions expired. So we'll see what the next what the next moves are. I'm still bullish on the market. You do have small caps, value stocks outperforming. I think this is just rotation out of the mega cap technology stocks and QQQ in general. So I'm going into regional bank, TFC model picking up regional banks, insurances like AIG, healthcare stocks. So continue to diversify. I don't have any regional banks right now. 52.5, 57.5 call spread, buying $1.30, risking $1.30 to make the difference in spread minus the debit would be $3.70. So that's the trade for this week. Going into regional banks. And finally, you can look at Active Trader, and you can see every day we provide signals. If you need more signals, then you need to look for other trade ideas, how to diversify your portfolio. This is Active Trader and Weekly Trader and Monthly Trader where I would concentrate. Thank you very much and have a great day.